there, welcome to this month's Simply Gilded unboxing video. I am so excited. If you saw my previous video on the unboxing of my first Simply Gilded box, then you know that I was so excited because I was seriously impressed with the amount of stuff you get. So I have kept up with the subscription. I'm probably going to keep it up until I feel like I've had enough or I just don't want to do it anymore. I want to change the subscription. So yeah, this is March's box and I'm going to unbox it for you now. Comes, of course, in like a little container on the inside. This is just the packaging, so it arrives safely. It is literally bursting at the seams. So every month seems to have a theme. This one is Sweet Dreams. And I don't even know how to really open this because I feel like it's already kind of open. I'll just pull things out as I go. Alright, so we've got this, which just explains what's in the box. Oh, it's February. Right, why did I think it was March? I guess because I'm in Australia, things are like super delayed. Every time I order something, it takes like a month or so. So this is February's box. What is this? Okay, so it's a little microfiber cloth, which is great for like things like screens and stuff like that. It's so cute. Let me open it. It's a little crinkled because it was in the mail, but that doesn't change its functionality at all. And if you wanted to get rid of any of the crinkles, I guess you could just iron it. But yeah. Yeah, it's a little microfiber cloth. That's so cute. I love how that even though this is kind of like a stationery box, there's a lot of functional components to it as well that are not necessarily stationery related. And we have a little rainbow magnet. That's so adorable. I'm not sure how she manages this because I feel like, I mean, I could be wrong, but I have this impression that it's managed by like one person and she does everything. I have no idea if she has a team or something, but this is like incredible if it is just one person doing it. And even if it wasn't, it's still amazing. So I love that. That magnet's so pretty. It just, everything matches. And then we have a pen. I don't know if I have this pen already. I don't know whether it's come in a previous box somewhere. But it's basically a twist ballpoint pen. Then we have washi tape. Of course, I feel like this is like the signature of the box. There's 5 washi tape here. So I'll go into that in a second. I just want to pull out the rest. We've got a little notebook here as well, and it is dot grid, which is perfect. I think it's very similar to the one we got last month in terms of like style, but obviously the cover is different, and I reckon I could probably fit this in one of my traveler notebook little covers. It may be a little bit long for the pocket version, but it's kind of giving me vibes on wanting to get one that I can fit all my notebooks in, and then I could do different things with each notebook. I've always loved the traveler notebook stuff, but I'm really getting more into it now. So I don't know if you guys are ever interested to see what I've done with my traveler notebooks, let me know. But it is a kind of an experimental mess. We have some cardstock here. It's cute, it's like a little fox sleeping. And we have some stickers. Yeah. It's like last month. It's very similar template to last month, that there's like a few bits and bobs, but you've got your standard notebook, washi, card, sticker sheet, and of course sticker is like, it's like holographic foiling. And that's everything in the box. I'm going to open up the washi tape so we can have a look at it in detail. This is always like my favorite part, obviously. I'm seriously in love with the washi this month. It is so cute. I mean, I feel like everything that I'm getting from Simply Gilded in terms of washi, it's so pretty that I don't want to use it, and that's like a terrible habit to get into. Let me tell you, if you're like a collector, it's a dangerous feeling to have because you just don't want to use anything, but you end up with so much. So I'm going to go through this one first. Hopefully I can get it to focus. So this just says hills, family, dreams, just gratitude, like lots of positive affirmations, hydrate, gym, and it's obviously it's like rainbow on a dark sky with stars. I'm gonna put that down, and then we have this one here. This is kind of like a cloudy pink sky with the moon, and I don't think this one has any foiling on it. No, I don't think so. And then I feel like we have this very quintessential bow, foiled bow on blue, silver. I love this combination. And then we have some rainbow strips. We have like different types of foil. So you've got like rose gold, you've got halo, you've got actual gold, silver. It's like a really nice variant. It's like but pastel rainbows. And the last one is a very dreamy one. You've got like cats or foxes with little sleeping masks, but it's kind of foiled. And then sleeping masks and sweet dreams on rainbows. So This is so cute. Like, honestly, all this washi tape is adorable. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know which is your favorite item. I'd love to know, especially out of the washi, and want to know what you guys are collecting as well. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any future videos, then be sure to subscribe. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.